Hello everybody, it's me and this is my channel. Today we're going to count from 1 to 20 fruit with funny animal friends. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1, Aardvark Alvin is eating an apple. He really likes apples. Apples are his favorite food. Number 2, a baby blue whale is swimming in the ocean and it eats 2 mangoes. Yummy? Yummy? No. 3, a chimpanzee called Charlie eats 3 bananas. Chimpanzees love bananas. They often eat them in the jungle. No. 4, a little dog is sitting on the grass and it eats for strawberries. They taste delicious. No. 5, an elegant swan is swimming in a lake and it eats 5 blueberries. Swans like to eat berries. Number 6, a tiny ladybug is flying in the sky and it eats 6 cherries. Look at its happy face. Number 7, a playful otter is swimming underwater and it eats 7 watermelons. What a cool animal! Number 8, an adorable bunny is hopping in the forest and it eats 8 carrots. Bunnies love carrots. Number 9, a little piggy is rolling in the mud and it eats 9 oranges. Pigs like to eat sweet fruits. Number 10, a friendly giraffe is eating 10 plums. Giraffes love to eat plums. They often eat them in Africa. Number 11, an excited parrot is flying in the jungle and it eats 11 pineapples. That's one feathery friend. Number 12, a silly goose is swimming in a pond and it eats 12 grapes. Be careful of the wings. Number 13, a cheeky monkey is hanging upside down and it eats 13 peaches. Monkeys love to eat peaches. Number 14, a sleepy koala is hanging from a tree and it eats 14 passion fruits. Koalas only eat leaves and fruit. Number 15, a funny frog is sitting on a lily pad and it eats 15 raspberries. Can you make that sound? Ribbit? Number 16, a little lamb is eating 16 blackberries. Lambs love to eat sweet berries. Number 17, a cute teddy bear is sitting on a chair and it eats 17 lollipops. Teddy bears love sweets. Number 18, an angry bull is charging and it eats 80 red apples. Bulls like to eat apples. Number 19, a little girl is playing and she eats 19 green grapes. Grapes are her favorite fruit. Number 20, a handsome lion is roaring and he eats 20 juicy steaks. Lions love to eat meat. Well done. You've reached the end of the video. I hope you had fun counting from 1 to 20 fruit with funny animal friends. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on new videos. See you next time.